Hi guys, welcome back to Grange Vlog. So today I'm going to be making some honey glazed salmon. It's a season for salmon, so we've bought entire salmon. So I'm doing half of it. I've washed it, I've scaled it, chopped it into pieces, scaled it, and make sure inside it's all nice and clean. And I've washed it with some lime and some lemon and a bit of salt. So it's nice and clean and well scaled, and I've reasonable portion size. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the marinade now. So I'm using some honey. I've got a third of a cup of honey. Okay, then I've got I'm using some dark sauce. So I'm using quarter cup. To that I'm gonna have some fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. This is half a tablespoon, so I'm adding 1 entire tablespoon. To that I'm gonna add some chopped garlic. I've got 3 cloves of crushed garlic rather here. Just gonna whisk everything together now. And there you have it. This is quite nice. Okay, so now, and then what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add this to my salmon and let it marinate for 15 minutes in the fridge, and then I'll come back and start cooking. Just ensure that it's well, each piece is covered. You can put this in a bag, or you can just leave it in a container like this one. It's totally up to you. I'm just gonna cover this now. I'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been a minute. So I've turned my oven on and I've put the grill pan in there because I'm going to finish off the salmon. I'm going to burn off my salmon now, and then I'm going to finish them off in the oven. So I've got the oven on preheating, and I'm going to just go ahead and warm up my pan and start frying off my salmon. up. I'm gonna add the rest in. It doesn't take long, about 4 minutes will cook. You just want to seal it because remember the honey will make it brown quite quickly. Okay, so salmon's finished frying now. Here they are. So I've taken my pan out the oven. It's quite hot, and I'm just gonna transfer them back to the oven now. You have to be very careful because you will break them like me. Oh, actually, hold on. I'm just gonna add some greaseproof paper. Be very gentle because they easily break. And gonna put it back in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. For them to finish cooking in the inside. And I didn't have any salt to this. You can add salt if you want to, because the soy sauce is quite salty when I tasted it earlier. So you can add salt if you want, but I'm not going to add any salt to that. I see you in, so I'm just going to pop it in the oven. So I'm going to pop it in here for 8 to 10 minutes at 63 degrees. Okay, so see you in a bit. So this is the finished product. So to be honest with you, I left it in there for ages, but I turned it down on like just the warm mode because I was cooking my rice and peas, doing my coleslaw, washing up, packing the dishwasher, and doing my gravy at the same time. So that's why it's been in there long. So I'm just gonna put some spring onions on. So ideally you don't want it to dry out, but I don't like my fish too wet. I like it when it's a little bit overcooked, if you ask me. But I'll show you what it looks like. It's not dry because I was checking on it, but I just didn't want it to go cold. And this is what I'm sprinkling on here is just some sesame seeds. And voila, that is my honey glazed salmon. Have you ever tried honey glazed salmon before? As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe and try this recipe, and I'm just gonna dish it up and share it so you can see how moist it is still inside, even though I had it in the oven on the keep warm mode. I've cut some rice and peas here and some coleslaw, and I'm just gonna dish up a little piece of the salmon. not a, I just need a small piece. I don't want a big piece. And some gravy. I've got some shallots here that I fry off with some Scotch bonnet pepper and a bit of seasoning. And this is it. My honey glazed salmon. I've got some avocado I'm going to wax off that with, but I can't be bothered to serve that now. And this is it. I'm going to add some sauce from here onto my salmon. And I'm gonna try it. And this has got the bone in it, so you can debone it if you like, but I like my things on the bone. And this is my salmon. It's so nice. I don't think I've ever tried this type of salmon before. Maybe not cooked by myself, maybe shop bought, but this is nice. I like it. It's got the niceness, the little saltiness from the soy sauce. Let's zoom it in so you can see it. And then it's got this little kick from the honey, nice and sweet, not overpowering though. I definitely like this. I will try it again. And you see, my salmon is not dried out. Still moist, but don't do what I did though. Cook it for the 8 to 10 minutes. You want to try some, sunshine?
Please.
This is nice. Let me give you a piece without the bone in it. And the skin is gone all crispy. It's falling off.
Oh.
And you can see it's still, oopsie daisy, it's still moist. Try it and tell me if you like it.
Yeah, it's good.
This is really good. Sometimes it's nice to try something different. Always eating the same thing over and over again. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Blessings to you and the family. Look after yourself and each other. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye. One love. God bless.